Hello guys, so welcome back to Cosmos Airdrop. In this video, we are going to be claiming one Litecoin into our Trust wallet, and as you can see, the exact price of Litecoin for today is $107, guys. So this wallet that you are looking right now is what we call a watch over wallet. I use this wallet for me to show you the exact price of Litecoin, and as you can see that 18 Litecoin worth about $2,000, guys. So I'm going to be using a clean wallet for today, guys. So this is a clean wallet with zero transaction, and I'm going to be mining Litecoin like I said. So what we have here is 0 Litecoin. So all we need to do is to go ahead and copy the address on our Litecoin. So guys, you're going to be following 4 procedures for you to make the exact amount of Litecoin that I want you to make from this site, guys. So the first procedure is for you to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Click on that notification bell to stay alerted whenever we post a new video, and don't forget to do the most important thing, which is to like this video that you're watching right now. Now the second step is for you to go ahead and copy the link. I will be placing the link on my Telegram group, so make sure that you join our Telegram group for you to get this link, guys. Now the third procedure is actually easy, and this consists of the way that you're going to be making this money, guys. The fourth procedure is for you to withdraw. So let's go ahead in this third procedure. So the third procedure, guys, is the way that you're going to make this money. So in the third procedure, in the first stage is for you to sign up. So to sign up is actually easy. All you need is to go ahead and input your name, your email, complete your password, and make sure that you confirm that you are not a robot, then sign in. Now the second one is to actually verify your email, which is actually easy. So when this is done, once you are done verifying your email, you are going to be given an exact bonus of 10. So for you to claim your first token, all you need to do is to slide down here and click on the blue button that you see right here. So once you are done pressing this blue button, you are going to receive an exact amount of 0.000500 Litecoin from this button, guys. So that is the first way that you are going to be earning this Litecoin. Then the time starts counting down. So when the time is actually at 0, you are going to be claiming an extra amount of Litecoin, guys. So I'm going to show you the second procedure that you're going to be using for you to claim more Litecoin. So this second procedure is based on the bonus faucet. So I've done this about 2 times now, and I've claimed about 0.000500 Litecoin, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and click it right here. Now once you're done clicking, your number range starts, guys. So as you can see, I just earned an extra 0.00500 Litecoin, guys. And now as you can see, I now have about 0.002000 Litecoin, guys. So this is how I'm actually going to be withdrawing from this site, guys. Now the third way for you to earn more Litecoin is actually to play games. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click and participate on the games, guys. So another way which you're going to be earning more Litecoins from this site is actually to refer. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on affiliate, guys. It is going to show you your link which you are going to share to different individuals. The more you refer people, the more you increase your Litecoin earning, guys. So all you need to do is to click your referral link and share it to different persons, guys. So to withdraw, which is the fourth procedure, to the withdraw is actually easy. All you need to do is to click on these 3 dots that is right here and simply go on withdraw. So this is the withdrawal. The minimum amount that you can actually go into withdraw is 0.005000 Litecoin, guys. As you can see, our current price is 0.00100 Litecoin, guys. So all you need to do is to go straight away into your Trust wallet, guys. Simply enter your Litecoin and copy. So when you copy your Litecoin, all you need to do is to go ahead and paste your Litecoin here, guys. Then paste the amount of Litecoin that you are going to withdraw. Like I said, I'm going to be earning about 1 Litecoin here, guys. So I'm going to be placing an exact price of 1 Litecoin, guys. As you can see, the transaction fee is actually 0.0001000 Litecoin. And I'm going to be claiming 1 Litecoin, so I'm going to be mining more, guys. So like I said, I showed you my exact time, and it shows that I'm supposed to be claiming another Litecoin upon this, guys. Once my time, as you can see, my time is up to claim more Litecoin. So all I need to do is to go ahead and confirm that I'm not a robot. So this is what you're going to be doing just for you to be earning more Litecoin into your wallet. So as you can see, I just received an extra 500 Lits, which is now 0.002500 Litecoin. So like I said, the normal charges of Litecoin is actually 0.01 Litecoin, and I think I have surpassed the normal charges. So I'm going to be withdrawing 1 Litecoin, like I said, and the minimum withdrawal is 0.005 Litecoin. So I know that you enjoyed this video, and like I said, make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on that notification bell, and stay tuned whenever we're going to be withdrawing from this Litecoin, guys.